My friend says I'm too happy. Is it wrong to smile too much or something?
No, of course not. There's a time to be happy and a time to be sad. You're tuned in to listener-supported Keys for Kids. My name is Zach. Thanks for joining me today. The book of Ecclesiastes says that there's a time to laugh and a time to cry. That reminds us that having emotions is normal. It's part of being human. And here's something really cool. Jesus felt those same emotions when he lived on earth, so he understands exactly what it's like. If you ever have a day when you're sad, remember it's okay to tell Jesus how you feel. And when you're happy, you can tell him about that too. And now for our story, it's called Rejoice Always. Dad? Madison opened the door to her dad's workshop. My favorite girl. How was art class? Dad asked. Madison ran to hug him. The art part was good. She paused as she bit her lip. What part wasn't? Dad asked, looking concerned. He took off his gloves and set them on the bench. Well, Mia told me that I'm too happy. She said I need to wipe the smile off my face sometimes. Madison frowned. But isn't being happy good? I don't like being sad. Being happy is great. It reminds me of one of my favorite verses, 1 Thessalonians 5:16. It's a really short verse, only 2 words. Rejoice always. God wants us to rejoice in him. We can always be joyful because he loves us and sent Jesus to save us. Madison smiled. I like that verse, but I know sad stuff happens, like when Mom died. She frowned. I guess that was sadder for you. Did you ever smile then? Madison's mom had died when she was 3 months old, and Dad often told Madison stories about her. I was sad, and I'm still sad that she's gone. But yes, I still smiled. Dad looked at Madison. After all, I have you. You make me smile every day. I thank God that I was blessed with such a bundle of joy. Madison giggled. I love you too, Dad. And if Mia asks, I'll tell her about the verse. Being happy is good. She twitched her nose. Being sad isn't bad, is it? Dad shook his head. Not at all. In fact, there's another short verse about that in the Bible. Jesus wept. He cried when he found out Lazarus had died. None of our emotions are bad, and Jesus felt them the same way we all do. Whatever we feel, he wants us to share it with him. That's a great way to rejoice, by sharing everything with God. Madison gave her dad a hug. Thanks, Dad. I'll make sure Mia knows that it's okay if she feels sad, but I'm going to rejoice. Well, how about you? How do you feel right now? We all experience a lot of emotions, and none of them are bad. Remember, Jesus was human just like us, and he felt all those emotions too. He knows what it's like to be happy, sad, even angry. He knows exactly how we feel and loves us. Can you tell him how you feel? He would love to help you rejoice in him. Our key verse is 1 Thessalonians 5:16.
Rejoice always.
And our key thought for today, you can rejoice always. When you're eating lunch or doing homework, do you like just listening to silence, or do you want to listen to fun music picked out just for you? If you chose music, then ask your Amazon Echo to play Keys for Kids Radio. Listen to music from Seeds Family Worship, Hillsong Kids, and Yancey, and stories like Adventures in Odyssey and Paws and Tales. Turn up the awesome at home just by asking Alexa, play Keys for Kids Radio. I'm Zach with Keys for Kids.